Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick chicken chili all in the Instant Pot. I started off with 2 frozen chicken breasts, added those to the pot, and a half of a carton of chicken broth, garlic powder, this cilantro lime seasoning that I got at Sam's. Seasoned that up all good. Popped the lid on my Instant Pot. Set it to sealing. Make sure you don't have it on venting. I set my time manually to 20 minutes. And I let my chicken cook.
So I just got the McCormick white chicken chili mix, and these are the beans and chilies that I'll be using. They all came from Walmart. After my chicken was done, I transferred it to a plate, and I just shredded it with a fork and got any fat and skin off that I didn't want to put into my chili. I left the broth,
and then I transferred it back into the broth that was left.
There's a lot of flavor in there.
In my pot, I went ahead and added the remainder of the chicken stock that was left in the carton.
About half of that.
Maybe half to put the chicken with, and added the other half.
Once I got all that in there, I went ahead and added my shredded chicken to the pot, and I dumped all the cans of the beans into my strainer and just rinsed the liquid off of them that was in the can. Some people dump it in with it. I don't like to. That's just my preference. So, do that according to what you like. It's certainly not going to hurt anything if you just dump the can straight into the pot. That's just one less step, one less thing you have to do.
I went ahead and dumped in my can of corn. I did leave the liquid on that, and added my small can of diced green chilies. You can add 2 cans if you like a little more spicy. I bought 2 cans for this recipe, but decided to just add 1 can. I didn't want to make it too hot. I'm using the McCormick white chicken chili mix, and I added it at this time. Once I got that in, I gave everything a good stir to just get it all mixed up. I did not video this. I forgot to grab the camera, but I added a cup of milk. I went ahead and salted to taste and added a half cup water to that same measuring cup that I measured the milk out in. I put the lid on the Instant Pot, turned my saute function on, and brought it up to a simmer. Once this was simmering, it was just small bubbles coming to the top. It wasn't, a crazy boil. I just wanted to get this kind of brought up in temperature. I went ahead and changed the setting on my Instant Pot to slow cook and set that for 4 hours. You certainly don't have to cook it for this long. We brought it to a simmer. Everything is heated through, but we weren't ready to eat yet, so I was just going to let that hang out. So once it was done, this is what it looked like, and I'm going to fix some cornbread to go with ours, and it should be pretty good.